In this video we will explain that what is the difference between research method versus research design. Research methods. Research methods are the procedures that will be used to collect and analyze data. Research design. Research design is the overall structure of the research. Research method focus on what type of methods are more suitable to collect and analyze the evidence needed. Research design focuses on what type of study is planned and what kind of results are expected from the research. Research method depend on the research design. Research design based on the research question or problem.